Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to limit empty trash in WordPress. There are two ways to do this, through code or by using a plugin. First, let's look at how to do it with code. You will be need to add a few lines of code to your wp-config.php file. Let's add a plugin named WP File Manager to access your WordPress directory. So let's go to WP File Manager, and after that right click on WP config file and click on code editor and scroll down, and here before this you can write your code here. So let's write a code. Define bracket, after that single colon, and write here empty dash trash dash days. So after that comma, and write the days, number of days uh, which you want to uh, automate that process to empty your trash. So I will write 7 here, and semicolon. So we write the code and save it. So our code is saved, and our trash will be automatically cleaned after the 7 days. So let's see how to do it with the plugin. So let's go to plugin and click on add new plugin, and we will write here empty trash. So here is our plugin, change empty trash time. Activate it. Okay, after activating it, go to settings and general, then scroll down. Here is our time to empty trash in days. So you can write here 7, 10, and it's up to you. So as we did it through code, so no need for this. That's it. With either method you can easily limit your empty trash in WordPress. Just remember to keep your website database clean by manually emptying the trash from time to time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.